Hello friends, I am Dr. Nerti Saxena, Assistant Professor in Mathematics Department of KCMT College, Bareilly. Now we discuss about a important topic of real mathematics, infinite series. Infinite series is a very important topic in mathematics. We discuss about infinite series and convergent and divergent of infinite series. First, start a important topic, sequence. Sequence is a list of numbers written in a definite order. A1, A2, A3 AN. And if we add number a1, a2, a3 an, then summation of numbers is called a series. Series is a sum of sequence. Example of any sequence: 1 upon 2i. The value of I is 1 to infinite. A sequence 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 8, If we add 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 16 plus to infinity, then this is called a series and represent by summation of 1 upon 2 to the power I. If we add 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 16 to infinite, then the sum is equal to 1. Now we define convergent of a series. A series is convergent if sum of all terms of series is finite. If sum of series is not finite, then the series is called divergent. Convergent and divergent means the sum of series is finite or infinite. A given series summation ai n partial sum of series is defined by Sn. Sn means sum of first n terms of series. For example, a series summation 1 upon 2 to the power n. S1 means sum of 1 terms equal to 1 upon 2. S2 sum of 2 terms 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. S3 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8. S4 equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 16. S1 equal to 0.5, S2 equal to 0.75, S3 equal to 0.875, S4 equal to 0.9375. If we add up to infinity, then sum of series is nearly about to 1. For a series AI, sequence of partial sums is defined by Sn n equal to 1 to infinity. A sequence is convergent or divergent is depend on sequence of partial sum Sn is convergent or divergent. If sequence of partial sum is convergent, then series is also convergent. If sequence of partial sum is divergent, then series is also divergent. If sequence is convergent, then series is convergent. If sequence is divergent, then series is divergent. Example 1 upon 2 to the power n, sum of one term 0.5, sum of second term 0.75 dot 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 infinity. Then we can see that if we find the sum of 10 terms, 15 terms, 20 terms, 25 terms. Sum of 25 terms is equal to 0.9999997. It is nearly about to 1. If we sum it about infinity, then this is nearly equal to 0. We can say that we can sum a series up to infinity and it is a finite value. If value is finite, then series is convergent. If it is infinite, then series is divergent. Other example, if we use only 2 to the power n, then value is 2, 4, 8, 16 plus dot dot dot. If we find other terms, then we can a largest value, and this value is very large up to infinity, and we cannot sum this, then this is divergent. Special series, geometric series, harmonic series, telescoping series, P series, alternative P series. Geometric series is in the form of A plus AR plus AR square plus dot 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 up to infinity and represented by summation AR to the power n minus 1. A is first terms and R is common ratio and A n plus 1 equal to R A n. Example 4, 4 upon 3, 4 upon 9, 4 upon 27. In this geometric series, first term is 4 and common ratio is 1 upon 3. Next example 1 upon 2 the power n. In this series, A equal to 1 upon 2 and R is also 1 upon 2. This series is a geometric series. Next example 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5 plus 8 upon 5. Is it geometric? Answer is yes. Its first term is 1 upon 10 and common ratio is 2. If we multiply by 2, in first term 1 upon 10 into 2 equal to 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5 into 2 equal to 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5 into 2 equal to 4 upon 5 plus 4 plus 8 upon 5. This series is geometric series. A geometric series may be convergent or divergent. It depends on the value of common ratio R. If common ratio R is between minus 1 to plus 1, not equal to minus 1 to plus 1, if mod of R is less than 1, then series is convergent. If mod of R is greater than or equal to 1, then series is divergent. It means if a common ratio of a series is between minus 1 to plus 1, then we can find the sum of geometric series if r is greater than 1 or equal to 1 and r is equal to minus 1 and less than minus 1, then we cannot find the sum of any geometric series. For example, 4 plus 4 upon 3 plus 4 upon 9 plus 4 upon 27 plus dot dot dot. In this series, r equal to 1 upon 3 and it is less than 1, then series is summable and convergent. We can find the sum of this series. If series is convergent, then sum of series is a upon 1 minus r. A important theorem for convergence of series. A series is converged or not, we can find by this test. If limit n tend towards infinity a n equal to 0, then series is convergent. It is necessary condition but not sufficient. It means is series is convergent, then its limits equal to 0. If limit is 0, then the series may be convergent or divergent. If limit of an is not equal to 0 or limit of an is not defined, then we can say the series is divergent. If series is convergent, then limit an equal to 0, and if limit an not equal to 0, then series is divergent. Thanks.